So let's take a look of our 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. Now this is a great certified pre-owned truck for a couple reasons here. You've got just over 47,000 kilometers on the odometer as of this recording. And let me tell you this, there's a clean car proof on this vehicle, so never been in an accident, always serviced on time at our dealership here. So you could expect great quality and plenty of years to come in this truck. So there's a 3.6 liter V6 motor under the hood. You've got the 6-speed automatic transmission, HID headlights on the front, as well as your fog lamps and chrome front grille. Now taking a look on the side, you've got the 18-inch chrome wheels here with all season tires. Pretty much brand new tires. Look at the tread left on those. Now you've got the chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles, and you've also got the tri-folding tonneau cover, which comes included on this truck. Now heading around on the back, you do have the step back bumper there, which is going to allow ease of access into the box. But this thing's not that tall to begin with. It is just a smaller size pickup truck. So trailer hitch on the back, you could do some good towing with that. You've also got the easy lower lift tailgate, which will not slam, as well as your spray-on box liner, so you don't have to worry about scratching the box up either. Now coming around the other side here, once again, really nice condition, all four wheels, and you do have the remote start feature on this truck, so to use that, just hit the lock button once and then hold down your remote start button, and that's going to fire up for you. Now taking a look at the interior of the GMC Canyon SLT, you've got the nice black leather interior. The leather and the interior itself are in really great condition here, as you can see. Just came out of detail. You've got your power adjustable controls with lumbar. And if we move on up just behind the steering wheel, you are going to find your headlight controls and your automatic 4x4. Now taking a look at the door panel itself, you've got your automatic one touchdown windows and your power adjustable mirrors. So inside the Canyon, once again, let's take a look here on the dash. 47,154 kilometers as of this recording. So not only do you have factory warranty, you also have our certified pre-owned warranty. Now you've got the leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise controls on the left, and your forward collision alert right there, as well as your hands-free call buttons and your 5-point command center, which is going to help you configure your digital dash there on the front. Now you do have the 8-inch touchscreen display. You've got projection for Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth phone pairing, as well as Sirius XM radio, which is going to come free for the first 3 months. As we head on a bit lower, hard radio controls, and you've got your climate controls just underneath that. And a few of the options you have down here include your trailer tow mode, as well as your traction control, your box light, and your lane departure warning. Now both front passengers have 6-way heated seats, as well as easy access to a USB port, auxiliary, and DC charge outlet if you take a look down there. Now of course, putting this vehicle into reverse is going to activate your backup camera. You've got the trajectory lane to help you assist you when you're parking, as well as a USB port and plenty of storage. Now in terms of backseat space, this may be a small truck, but you've still got plenty of room back here. Enough room to fit some 3 passengers in the back. You've got the armrest that comes out here with the cup holders, and you've even got a couple USB ports and a DC outlet back here, so everybody could stay connected. There's also some hidden cargo space if you lift up the seat, so pretty neat. So all in all, if you're looking for a great, practically brand new vehicle, the GMC Canyon's a great choice. You've got plenty of towing capacity from this little truck and great highway fuel economy coming out of that 3.6 liter. So overall, if you want to take a look at it for yourself or even go on a test drive, visit us at McNaught and our sales professionals will help you out.